use the right mouse button to rotate the view of the part and use the left mouse button to move the view of the part. With the mouse wheel, you can zoom in or out. If the mouse wheel is missing, you can also zoom using the magnifying glass symbols. Or you can use the typical zoom gesture on the tablet. You also have toolbars on the right for a preset of basic views. A grid can be displayed for better orientation. A screenshot can be created for a better identification of the projects. The current view is saved as a preview for the project. Here you can now see the new project in the project list.